classroom. So a very big thank you to you for actually helping us complete our 1 month of online classroom. Makes a very big difference to us. It's very important to us. And we are thoroughly impressed with the children, I must say. कहाँ हम सोच रहे थे कि कौन बैठेगा कौन नहीं बैठेगा कि कैसे इतनी देर तक बैठ पाएंगे बच्चे, कितना अलग है, करेंगे नहीं करेंगे. हम लोग तो बहुत सोच रहे थे, बहुत सारा हमने सोच भी डाला था इसमें कि ऐसे करने से शायद थोड़ा 5 मिनट एक्स्ट्रा हमें मिलेगा बच्चों के साथ एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स. बट आई थिंक ऑल द एफर्ट्स पेड ऑफ. We are very impressed with the amount of time that the children are giving us, and hats off to the parents as well for making sure that they are there with us throughout the classroom. So very, very big thank you to all the parents. Now, a couple of things that we need to just share with you is, one, since we are completing 1 month of school classroom, we need to assign PTA members. Okay, the job of a PTA member is going to be very, very simple. That the person who is appointed as the PTA member will be the one point contact for all parents for any concerns that the parents may have. Okay, now typically this works quite strong with a lot of other schools because you cannot directly access the management in any way. But here we have a little WhatsApp group for every single parent, every single child of the school. So you can directly reach out to the school management, to the principal, to the teachers for any concerns that you have. So yet we, as per paper requirements, need to have a PTA member. So I will leave it to parents to nominate yourself for your PTA over the weekend. I think that will be the max time we will give for parents to nominate themselves. If you think you would like to be a PTA member, just drop in an email to us saying that for this grade, I would like to be the PTA member and this is my child's name. And if we get more than one nomination, we will put all of them in a bowl. We will just mix it up, pick one chit, and jiska naam aaya, we will put up that person's name as the PTA member for that particular grade. And if we get only one name, then we will make sure that that person is the PTA member for that grade. Otherwise, the open communication between parents and the school will always remain. You can always get in touch with us for anything and everything that you have in mind. The other thing is class timing. Now, couple of parents raised the concern around the timing to be shifted to morning. So we sent out a WhatsApp message to all parents asking them one by one, what would they suggest? So allow me to read out their names so you know what I'm saying is true. That 90% of the parents have agreed to continue with the current timing. In fact, they staunchly don't want to change the timing at all. They are all very happy with the current timing and they would like to stick to the current timing. And that goes, I'm just reading out from my screen. Shayona, Myra, Sanvi, Madhav, Nikit, Bihan Shinde, Mehan, Avantika, and the other kids. Okay. Saumya, Ved, Durva. All of these parents have decided to stick to the current timings. That is 90% of the classroom. So I would like to have a word with the other parents who are requesting that we shift it to the morning. And even if we are looking to make the change, which I doubt is going to happen, then it will happen only in a week's time. If there is no change that is going to happen, then we are continuing it with the same thing that we are going. Now, some parents also said that the duration of the classroom needs to be reduced. We are already on a pretty reduced duration for the classroom. Now, KG was supposed to be going on a maximum of 2.5 hours. If parents are not comfortable with 2.5 hours, then we are fine with 2 hours. But let us also remember that we might not get too many options or windows to add extra activities into the class. Frankly, certain things have to be taught in a certain way. Everything cannot become fun. Okay? Even if I have to introduce some blend words, if I have to introduce some increasing, decreasing numbers, to a certain extent, it can be introduced through fun and, you know, games and things like that. But at some point of time, there needs to be some level of practice, and that cannot be done away with. So if we are going to reduce the timings, then as school we will weigh whether we want to do away with the writing part or we want to do away with the fun part. Now, obviously, with pre-primary, we do not want to do away with the fun part, because that is what holds on to these children. That's what is grabbing them and making them sit there. But then that would mean that some amount of writing part will end up coming to you in the house, either on weekdays or on weekends. So if you want us to reduce the duration of the classroom, we will have to then send certain worksheets to you for you to take care of. Now here the situation is such that not all parents are at the comfort of time. Most of them who are working for corporates and working from home, even those mothers who are not actually going to a corporate to work, but is now having to take care of everything to do in the house, I don't think has a lot of time on hand, more and beyond what they already are giving to the classroom. So one suggestion I have is, allow us to have the duration that we have planned. And if your child is sitting through it, great. Not sitting through it, at least they are listening to what is happening in the class and they will understand what's going on. Okay. If they want to get up and roam around, we are not going to force them, because we obviously cannot forcefully bring them back into the classroom. So if they are going to get up and move about, I would still ask you, keep the volume loud if you can, so the child is listening to what is going on in the classroom. Yeah. So they are not completely unaware of what was done in that session, but are aware what happened and can still reproduce it at some point of time. Now, around this, the thought process is, ठीक है ना, चलता है ना, नहीं किया इतना सा तो क्या हो जाएगा? कुछ नहीं हो जाएगा. Nothing is going to go wrong. एक साल के लिए 8th भी हो, 9th भी हो, BCom भी हो, PhD भी हो, एक साल के लिए नहीं कुछ खास किया तो चल सकता है. हम सोच रहे हैं कि एक साल के लिए नहीं हुआ तो क्या होगा. अब बात यह है कि अगर ये सिचुएशन 2 साल तक कंटिन्यू किया तो क्या हम सेकेंड ईयर में बच्चे पे प्रेशर डालने वाले हैं? नहीं. Let us all accept and adjust to the fact that this situation is not what we asked for, but it is going to stay here for a while and nobody in the world knows how long this will stay. If essentials are not opening up, schools are going to be the last thing to be opened, right? So it is this time that we would appreciate that parents are counseling children to understand कि this is school. कोरोना बाहर, हम अंदर, इसलिए फिलहाल यही स्कूल है. ओके, तो इस स्कूल में जब तक हम एंजॉय कर रहे हैं तब तक हम इस स्कूल को ऐसे एंजॉय करेंगे. जब हम स्कूल बिल्डिंग खोलेंगे तब हम बिल्डिंग में जाके एंजॉय करेंगे. अब वो कब होगा ना मैं जानती हूँ ना आप. जब गवर्नमेंट खुद नहीं जानता है तो हम में से कोई नहीं जानता है इसके बारे में. So let us start getting used to the fact that this is schooling right now. This is how it might last for a while. How long? No idea. So duration, I would say leave the mic open and let children listen to it. There will be an inclusion of a lot of fun activities that will come into the classroom, because we are also making changes in the permutation and combinations for the classroom. And any feedback that any of you have, please feel free to tell us. Padma teacher, you have anything that you would like to share with parents? And after that, I'll open mics for parents one by one, and whatever they would like to say, they can share with us.
Good evening, parents. Good evening, teachers. Nice to see all of you here. Junior KG, senior KG. I'm sure your children are enjoying. I am sure that your children are enjoying. We would like to hear a few words of appreciation for our teachers and for us to get motivated for the classes. And also some feedback and suggestion if you could give, being with your child, what you have noticed that will help us to improvise. So we can open mic. You raise your hand one by one. We can open mic and then you all can talk about the challenges that you all are facing as a parent, or the challenges or some appreciation that you really appreciate as a parent and the child is doing well, whatever. We are open for your suggestions and insights and appreciation.
Anyone who wants to say something, just raise your hand, and whoever we spot, we will open the mic for that person. Anybody who wants to say good, bad, positive, negative, everything is welcome. Yes, Ved's mom. I would say Ritik's mom.
Yes. Good afternoon, ma'am, and all the teachers. And means we are actually enjoying ourselves, and to see how teachers actually teach these children we had never seen, because since we were never permitted. But this time we are seeing, and I would appreciate the teachers to keep so much of patience and teaching them in such a fun way. And I am happy because my son is sitting here for 1.5 hours in front and learning. So
Wow.
I am very happy about it. So congratulations to you all. And just one thing which bothers me is that he is not ready to write, because again his this holding the pencil is something he's still not able to do that correctly. So this is something when I have to make him write, it becomes difficult for him. So anything that you can teach us how to hold the pencil, the fingers, like how to keep them, because he tend to slip off the fingers and the pencil tends to move back. So this is my little concern, that maybe a drawing or a picture where we can teach the children at home how to hold. So
Sure.
that is my concern. Rest,
Sure.
I'm fine, I'm happy.
Thank you so much. We will definitely
so
come up
much.
with something that can help him grip better and then improve. Definitely.
That is all, ma'am.
In
Nothing.
fact, we are going to schedule a fine motor skills FMS in the timetable is being scheduled for making the fine motor strengthen, so that the pencil grip or the crayon grip, we will work more on that. Thank you for your insight. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, ma'am. And ma'am, like left hand, my son is weak with his left hand because he's not able to lift it up. So at times it becomes I need to help him at times, because the left hand, like he has a shoulder problem right now,
yes,
which
that makes
again we're working for it. So many times it happens I need to help him. So is it okay, or I can let him do with when he tries to struggle a bit? So
To
just
help
thought
is
of
always
asking
good.
what should I do.
No, ma'am,
Okay.
to help is always
No,
good.
I will help.
You help, but anything overdone will not help him. So you keep a balance of help.
Okay.
Wherever he really requires help, please do help him. Don't overdo so that he is dependent on you. That's it. Okay?
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you, everybody.
Thank
Okay.
you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ved's mom.
So much.
Any other parent who would like to share something? Yes, Madhav's papa. Yes, go ahead.
Thank you, Kavita. First of all, I appreciate all the teachers and the school management who took a lot of efforts to start these sessions and at least engaging the kids for this their new academic year. I know
Thank you.
it's a pretty difficult for kids also and the teachers
Yes.
also to communicate with them on a virtual word. Yes, but we have done almost for 1 month, and I think kids are adjusting and everyone is adjusting with this new virtual learning. I have a suggestion over here, Kavita. I know some kids, I mean, they doesn't sit for the continuous for a long. So at least whatever the session has been conducted for the day, you can send it. And I know we are recording the sessions and you can send it on the same day. So whatever the kids missed, so at least in their good moods, we can go through one more time with those videos. So at least he can understand what has been taught today for the day.
Okay. All right. Feedback taken. In fact, teachers have started to send the videos of the activity Like I think Manisha teacher had sent across Vyanjan, right? Manisha teacher, you had sent Vyanjan, or did you send it to all children or only to that child who missed it? Sorry, 1 minute. I'll just open your mic. आपने सबके लिए भेजा था. You had sent it to all.
Yeah.
अच्छा. So okay, but we will make sure that going forward. In fact, what teachers have done is, based on the topic that they are going to teach in the class, they have already made a video of that long back. So the plan is that once that entire topic is completed, teachers will send the video link of that particular topic to parents. So if you go onto our YouTube channel, what we'll do is we'll just send one video to you, so you can just subscribe for that YouTube channel. You'll see lots of videos over there. Now you will start seeing that teachers have already uploaded lots of their videos over there for different topics, and it's actually segregated grade wise, like pre-primary EVS, pre-primary English, primary maths, secondary chemistry, secondary biology. So we have bifurcated it all on our YouTube channel. So the plan is based on the topic that they have completed. So suppose Sanchita teacher completes the teaching of letter M, then she would send the video of the story of letter M and the vocabulary for letter M. She would send it to all the children. So they have already made these videos and kept it ready. They've also started sending it. I think so far it was only sent to some parents who had missed the classroom on that day. But now going forward, once the topics are completed, no, it will be sent to all parents. So you can sit in the house and just revise it. It is not the video done during the Zoom classroom. It is a video done by the teacher long back in her house itself. It's not a Zoom classroom video. So it's a separate standalone video which children can see to just understand. But yes, we will make sure that at the end of every topic, we have a video that we can send. Point noted.
Thank you.
Thanks. Myra's mother has raised her hand, so I will just open the mic for her. Yes, Myra's mom.
Obviously the classes, the teachers have come up with innovative, ways, and they have picture cards and things which are nice and visual on the camera. We are having a hard time having Myra sit in one place during the whole entire duration. And that is one of the things that troubles us, because only the time when the teacher is talking to her directly, she is interested at that point of time. As soon as this is it focuses and she's muted, she keeps talking and she doesn't get the response from the teacher, and she gets really upset and then she moves off. So typically it's a struggle during every class to put her there, but when she is in front and she's being heard, she feels excited. And so I like to know what can be done in that situation, because I have to let her go. She doesn't sit. And as soon as her turn is going to come up, we have to make sure she sits down. The other thing that we struggled, as I think Ved's mom already mentioned, is we are not able to tell her how to hold the pencil or the crayon correctly. So though we have started writing 1-7 M, I think last week we wrote, she doesn't hold the pencil correctly. And we've tried to help her the hand, and so maybe we don't know the technique as yet, so we haven't she hasn't started using it correctly also, the pencil. Other than that, we personally are running out of sheets. That's why we have to find sheets, but I have ordered some, so mostly we'll be getting some A4 sheets by next week, so we can continue. But we don't have a printer, so we have to depend on Eva to help us to draw all your sheets. So I think that's all. Just some more pointers on how to keep her focused, and anything tip on writing, holding a pen or pencil, sorry.
Okay. Padma teacher, you want to say something?
Yes. Savita, since holding a pencil is a class, it's a workshop for parents as well as for teachers. And teachers have already been trained for children. Especially for parents, if we can schedule how do we hold pencil, I can conduct that class for them. For another 10-15 minutes class, not more than that. So very soon we plan to schedule this for parents, and then we can start children to just hold pencil and start writing. So what are the activities they can do around holding pencils? what is the instruction, what is the simple instruction that they should give when the child is holding pencil is something that we can do with these parents. So please, yeah, even I have made a note of it. We will schedule it as soon as possible.
Okay, so since we are on that topic, can I ask if tomorrow morning is suitable? Say around 10 o'clock for parents for a quick, 15-20 minute session. Padma teacher, will that timing be sufficient for you to prepare?
Yeah, yes. 10 to 15 minutes are more than enough for me to show how do we do and what are the exercises they can do for enhancing or for strengthening their fine motors or
Okay.
finger grip.
Okay, so tomorrow 10 o'clock, I will schedule a meeting for all of us to be a part of it, and you can learn from that. And other thing is in our school, I don't have it right now handy, but if you all have seen the 3-dimensional pencils or the 3-dimensional crayons, okay,
Tripod.
they are excellent for children for beginner's grip. Okay, now in a circular thing like this, what happens is it doesn't give good grip. It can keep going round, Now in that tripod kind of pencil or crayon, it stays in one place. It fits exactly into the triangle that you can see here. Okay, you see one line, one line, one line. So it just fits exactly into that. So in another 15, 20 days, 30 days, whenever, you're going to be able to arrange for it, if you can, those kind of pencils, I think Faber-Castell does those pencils. We have it in school, and all our crayons are 3-dimensional. So even in the stationery kit that children use in the school, they are all 3-dimensional. So Faber-Castell has this. Whenever you can arrange for it, see if you can get that. Until then, the little bit of adjustments that we can start off with will be told in the classroom, in the session tomorrow. So just 15-20 minutes, keep yourself available. We should be able to. Yeah, I will schedule for that, Padma teacher. Sure. Okay.
Thank you.
Anything else, Myra's mom, that you want to say? Okay, you muted yourself. Myra's mother, anything else that you would like to say?
No, that answers the second part where we do the pencil. Anything, any suggestions on their continued focus?
Yeah, that is, the child will sit. Mother needs to have patience. Don't worry, the child is learning. Myra will definitely learn. She will sit. We will try to make.
Padma teacher, we've lost connection with what you were saying. Avantika's mom, yes, I saw you raise your hand. Just give me a minute. I'll come to you. Yes, I can see the two of you. Just give me a moment. Padma teacher, we lost connection with you. Can you repeat what was the last minute that you spoke?
Yeah. I said that mother, be a little more patient. If superlative of patientist, be a little more patientist, so that children will take their own time and they will sit in their place. For Myra, teachers will take care of this feedback and will be more interactive with children. Myra will be.
See, Myra is also a very good auditory learner. So even though she's not physically present there, she's listening. So there are many times we have noticed that we have already said something quite some time back and we thought she didn't hear it, but she will respond, say no, in such a way that she heard everything that was told and we just assumed that she didn't hear it. So even though she doesn't look like she's sitting there, maybe she's listening to everything that's going on. So her learning is going on. She's not like, but yeah, sitting intolerance, you will see how many times I have moved myself here and there. If I could, I would just like to stand up right now. But if I stand up, then the camera will not be on my face. So yes, it's not Myra's fault. It is the platform. We can't help it. It's not her mistake. It's never the child's fault. Okay. Avantika's mother wants to say something. Yes.
Hi everyone, good evening.
Good evening.
Firstly, big congratulations to the teachers and the team for executing this plan so well. I really appreciate personally Sanchita teacher and Manisha teacher for being so patient with the kids. It is not easy teaching like using this online platform. So a big congrats, kudos to you guys. I personally have a request for Avantika because she does not have Hindi as her second language. So during Hindi classes, is it possible to, when you give an instruction in Hindi, can you repeat it in English so that she doesn't have to turn to me or her father every time and instead focus on the screen? So if it's completely in Hindi, she's unable to follow it because she doesn't know the language. And it feels like we are simultaneously giving out instruction when the teacher is talking to her. So she misses out the next subsequent instruction. So if you can follow it up with an English instruction as well, it would help her a lot. She can learn the language much better.
Okay. Sure. Feedback taken. We have noted that. We should be able to include that. That's absolutely not a problem. Okay.
Thank
Padma
you.
teacher, anything you wanted to say on that?
Yeah. Thank you very much for your feedback. We will take care. But yes, as learning is concerned, if we give this, a teacher will, yes, to begin with, we will tell teachers to translate it in English. But if the smart child like Avantika knows that teacher is translating, probably she will say that English mein bol degi. I have teacher is any to translate. So start translating it, but slowly teacher have to speak English for students. Has to begin. You all talk to her, you communicate with her in Hindi, but yes, in Hindi class more or less of English. But few words which they really learn, that will be translated in English, that we will communicate and teachers will take care of.
Thank
Okay,
you.
I think the voice was breaking a lot. If you have understood everything that she has said, Avantika's mom, you followed whatever she said? Avantika's mom, did you follow what Padma teacher said? Her voice was dragging quite a bit. Okay. So what we typically do is, initially we try to have a lot of communication when language is being taught. We have all the communication in that language only. Okay. Then we look to translate it. Now what happens is, what she was trying to tell you was that if I start translating right from the start, the child will only learn and wait for that translation and not look to understand and catch words in between. So that is why when you're learning a language, the best thing to do is go completely on that language. After a point of time, you look to gradually do the translation. So now the child will look to listen to the language and not wait for the translation. So you translate only after a point of time. So translation in a language will come, it will come in a little later. If she's looking up to you for explanation, you tell her, you wait, you listen to what teacher is saying. See, she's explaining. See, she's explaining. You wait, you listen to what she's saying, and then you will also understand. You will not need my help. Just give it a few classes. You see, teacher will only teach you the whole language. So let her not look up to you for translation. Okay, so even when we are doing a Marathi class or a French class, we do the same thing. We enter the classroom starting off in that language. For 2-3 lectures, we only do the language. And we want children to come up asking, is word ka meaning kya tha? Us word ka meaning kya tha? Then we know that they have heard us, they have been listening to us. Now we will start translating. So they shouldn't look up to us only for translation. They should learn the language. So you don't help her with the translation. You tell her, you wait, you listen to teacher. See what she's showing and she's explaining. Ye hai. She's saying, no, ye hai. So that is what it is. You just listen. But tell her that she needn't come to you for translation. Teacher will do it. It will come eventually. Abhinay.
Okay, thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you, Kavita.
Thanks. Mihan's mom wants to say something, and then I'll come to Sanvi Yamanu's dad.
Yes, good evening to all the teachers and all the parents. I have fewer points to just say. I'll quickly go through it. First of all, I'll start appreciating the teachers and the management. They're doing wonderful. like without being a teacher जो नहीं सोचा था वो भी माल हमको आ रहा है. So I am feeling very good about it, and lot of efforts. Like it's a month of May. Mentally we are like May is a vacation month, but it's very sad that I mean teachers are not getting that time to relax, but they are putting their heart in and heart out to give the best to the children. So a lot of appreciation for that. There are a few suggestions, if you can just note down.
Sure.
My suggestion number 1 is, if we can, it was very nice that the time was increased gradually from 1 hour to 1 hour, which was easy for students to change to. Even though first 2-3 days they were like, you know, neendari and all that, but after a couple of days they were adjusted with this 1.5 hour. So my another request would be that if we can just increase the time gradually in a week so that they can accommodate it. Also, I have a question. I don't know how much the visual effect of sitting in front of laptop for 2.5 hours and the retention capacity would affect, to highlight on that. My second suggestion is, if we can get, as one of the parents said, weekly plan, if we can get that what we did throughout the week in a form of mail, so that we can just revise, you know, while playing with them. Saturdays and Sundays we can inculcate those things while, you know, eating and playing with them. That would be convenient for teachers, like हम उनको revision कराने की कोशिश करेंगे. Number 3 is, in case if it is possible for us to use microphone while teaching, because sometimes it happens कि कभी कभार आवाज नहीं आती. I know that is too much to ask for during lockdown, but if it is possible, so that the clarity issues are solved. Sometimes the gadgets are not sound friendly, तो बच्चे को सुनाई नहीं देता है. They call us. Like now also while attending a meet, I थोड़ा आवाज कम था, तो I called up my children who are playing outside कि बच्चा थोड़ा कम बात करो, I have a meeting, then you can play. So in case that can be solved. Also, if we can get the video of the video that teachers shows for the rhymes and all, if we get it on WhatsApp, because जब वो स्क्रीन पे आता है ना, काफी पॉजेस के साथ आता है, तो जो एंजॉयमेंट फैक्टर है, जो बच्चे का सुनने का थोड़ा अफेक्ट होता है, that is not the like fault of teachers, वो तो वैसा ही है. तो अगर हमको वो वीडियो मिलेगा तो हम उसका फोल्डर बना के सेव करेंगे, और रात को at bedtime stories and when they are cringing, so we would try to inculcate that, like, you know, instead of showing other videos, we'll show the videos which teachers want us to like. Okay, next is ma'am, I was very happy with seeing that activities and games start हो गया है. वो last half an hour का जो planning था वो marvelous था. I was like, third half an hour अगर बच्चा पढ़ेगा तो पता नहीं कितना सुनेगा, but I was very happy that last half an hour is actually the energetic session for them. So I was very happy with that. I had few suggestions, if we can inculcate few other things in our sessions, like beginning with a small prayer, some moral value for the week, like cleanliness. Only one sentence they will speak, we have to be clean, we have to, so 1 week वो वही रट्टा मारेंगे, like some moral value if we can. PT, some exercises here and there once a week or so. So prayer, moral science, PT, and I would be happy अगर ये जो COVID का जो कुछ counseling अगर monthly एक बार बच्चों को दे सके, because they have so many questions which we as a parent we don't know. We just say police वाला uncle बाहर घूम रहा है, there is a how going out, you cannot go out. I don't know what, like we as a parent, we haven't done the Montessori courses, so we are not, maybe we are lacking something in explaining them. So a counseling session once a month or as per your convenience would be very helpful for the kids. Yes, and then about the handwriting part कि कैसे बच्चों को लिखाना है, I could say कि अगर हमको वीडियो भी आ जाएगा, हम थोड़ी मेहनत कर लेंगे, हम वो देख के फॉलो कर लेंगे, हम we will take that efforts. And there was one question I had to ask, this PTA member is monthly, does it change monthly or it is for the year? That is the only question I had. And the another question I had for the personal development of my child, which I will not discuss here. I can expect teachers to tell me later, because that will take much of time for the other parents here. And the last point, sorry, the last point is my request to all the parents.
My last point, go ahead.
Yeah, my last point is request to all the parents that parents actually school जो होता है वो teaching aid की तरह काम करता है हमारे बच्चों के लिए. We cannot completely give all the responsibility and especially in the situation when they are not present physically, you know, with our children. So अभी हमारा काम है कि we have to take the homework. I would request the management to send homework for parents. In fact, we have to follow the instruction, we have to support them कि जहाँ पे वो नहीं कर पा रहे वो हमको करना है. हम नहीं कर सकते वो sentence नहीं आएगा. It's very difficult for them. Believe me, I myself being a teacher, I know how difficult it is. Even for kids of 8, 9, 10, 20 minutes के बाद they start chatting inside, you know. And these kids are even responding to the teachers. Yeah, it's a marvelous achievement. They're responding. It's a marvelous achievement. So we have to help them. That's a request to all the parents. Thank you, teachers and parents, for giving time.
Oh wow, Mehan ki mama, you have given a complete insightful thought for us. Everything. So increase in time, yes, gradually. I will go by a points one by one. Increase in time, yes, it is going to go gradually. Announce it right now. What will be the next increase? I'm just looking at my screen. So KG currently is doing 1.5 hours. We planned that in the first week of June. We initially planned that in this coming week we were going to make it 2 hours, but we said no, we will keep it to 1.5 hours. So they have at least 2 weeks of 1.5 hours. Then from 8th, we will be making it 2.5 hours. And if we are getting the response that we are expecting from them, we would like to make it 3 hours, but we don't know. It all depends upon children. Okay, so we will leave it to that. We will cross that bridge when it comes. Then visual effect on virtual learning. Now you mean to say, did you mean to say कि आंखों में कितना effect होगा कि, okay. Now unfortunately it is going to be this platform for some time to come. Now when children are going to see it on a small screen, you know, in a phone screen, which is going to be like this, definitely the strain is very high on this screen. Okay, so I have been telling parents repeatedly that try and mirror your screen to your TV. Okay, so then your child is sitting in front of the TV, so the TV ka glare is not so bad. You feel that you're looking at a bigger image and you can sit at a distance. Now you're going to mirror the phone to the TV. बच्चे के टेबल पे या उसके साथ उसके सोफा पे उसके आसपास कहीं पे उस फोन को रख दीजिए. The phone's microphone is a very solid receptor. Even if I keep it like, you know, 2 feet away from me, it can hear me. So even if you keep it from a little away from your child, my child fiddles with the phone. I'm surprised कि आज मुझे एक भी parent ने ये point नहीं कहा कि my child is still fiddling with the phone. You know, that's, I don't know if it's happening or it's not, but somehow that didn't become the highlight of the conversation at all. So that's really awesome, whether it happens or it not. Anyways, so if you're mirroring it to the TV, no, it becomes very comfortable for the child to sit in one place. The volume is quite good because it's going to come from the TV as well. And the effect of it is also quite nice. So if you are having the facility to mirror it to a TV, excellent. If not, if you have a computer or a laptop at home, that will be a better screen for the child to use without the child having to touch the laptop. If you can keep it at a distance and say, baby, इसके आगे नहीं जाना है, 2 books को बीच में रख दो, बोलो इसके आगे नहीं जाना है, हम यहाँ पे बैठ के सुनेंगे, सब दिखाई दे रहा है. So try not to keep it, you know, at this distance. Always, at least a 3 to 4 feet distance is always good. Try and not keep it, you know, गोदी में रख के ऐसे देख रहे हैं. I have seen in some of the classes, I've seen the phone is down and the child is seeing like this. This is definitely not good. It hurts the neck. The child is not going to give response like this because sitting posture ही अच्छा नहीं है. आप सोचिए टीचर ऐसे बैठ के सिखाएगी तो आपको भी अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. So बच्चा भी अगर ऐसे बैठ के देख रहा है तो बच्चे के लिए भी सही नहीं है. So आई पे कितना इफेक्ट हो रहा है वो हम सबको कुछ दिनों में, कुछ महीनों में पता चल ही जाएगा. बट जितना हो सकता है उतना कोशिश करिए कि उस डिवाइस को थोड़े डिस्टेंस पे रखिए, कम से कम 3 से 4 फीट के डिस्टेंस पे. तो अगर वो छोटा स्क्रीन भी है तो वो ऐसे घुस के देखने की जरूरत ही ना पड़े क्योंकि वो पास नहीं है, वो दूर ही है. Okay, now daily updates and weekly updates, yes, we will start doing those updates for you. So on the weekend you have that, that is a part of a plan, but we had planned it only from June mid when the classes will be running at full timing. We had planned that from that time we will start sending you updates of what is being done in the class. So yes, I will definitely put it as a star mark now. Pictures in the class and videos of mic in the class, sorry, it is just gone with the T on it. Mic in the class. टीचर्स तो ये भी कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि वाईफाई लग जाए घर पे किसी तरह से. बहुत हाथ पैर मार रहे हैं लेकिन कोई घर आ नहीं रहा है वाईफाई लगाने के लिए. तो माइक तो आई रियली डोंट नो वो हो पाएगा कि नहीं, पर हम सब का बेटरिंग आवर क्लासरूम का कोशिश जारी है. That's what I can say. Video of rhymes. Yes, when the updates will start coming, it will also include the audio video link, because that's what we always used to do. Whenever we do any audio video in the class, हम उस audio video का link आपको भेज देते हैं. Prayer, moral values. Yes, we are going to be including that. That is going to be a part of our classroom as soon as the timings slightly increase. Right now, in the half an hour time that we get with children, each session has a plan, because currently we want to see, because this is the max it will go to when it comes to, you know, learning alphabets or numbers. Okay, so in that plan, we want to see how much children are going to be receptive to this. कि हम लोग ये प्लानर कर रहे हैं क्लास में, तो क्या बच्चे इस चीज को एक्सेप्ट कर पा रहे हैं. अगर ये इसको एक्सेप्ट कर पा रहे हैं, तो अब हम जितना भी मस्ती उसमें इंक्लूड करें, वो लोग सब एक्सेप्ट कर लेंगे. सो योर प्लान ऑफ हैविंग मॉरल वैल्यूज, इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ लाइफ स्किल. इट इज गोइंग टू बी देयर. Prayer, yes, it is going to be there. PT, our PT sir is a big hit in primary and secondary. So how PT works basically is for the higher grades, that I don't know if you must have seen one of my Facebook posts recently where sir will send the video to that particular grade 1 or 2 days before that PT session. You have to show it to your child. You have to just practice it in the house. And when the PT lecture is going on, the sir will just sit in front of the camera and see if all the children are doing it correctly. Because then in the class he's actually just correcting the posture. So every day children are waiting कि आज PT है क्या, आज PT है क्या. So अभी हमने actually higher grades के लिए भी हमारा PT class twice a week कर दिया है. So because they are also receptive to it. So that's like a high point of the class. So yes, PT is going to come into KG as well. COVID counseling. This is a very, very good point. So far, personally, I was trying to keep away this particular COVID word at all from the classroom, because we are hearing so much of it all around us. I didn't want कि ये जो classroom में आ रहे हैं, हम यहाँ पे भी हम यही बोले. But the word that you used, the term that you used, COVID counseling, I think that is a little more attractive. So yes, we will see how we can include that. Give us a little time. This is something that we are going to work upon, and then we will look to execute this in the classroom. Handwriting. Yes, I thank you for mentioning that point, that yes, parents have to pitch in and take up that responsibility. The thing is, for all the 10 years that Head Over Heels has been functioning, we had a strict no homework policy. And this year we had it all the way until grade 4 also, that nothing related to academic learning should be put on parents at all. It should always be completed in school. So our very thought process that the 1:5 teacher-child ratio, 1:15 teacher-child ratio, had all that plan taking care of all those things. So children do not have to go home and sit with parents to write, study, study. It will not happen. But this is different. ये माहौल ही अलग है. इसको हम किसी ने भी envision किया ही नहीं था. But थोड़ा बहुत हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं कि पेरेंट्स पे प्रेशर कम रहे इस सिचुएशन में, बिकॉज वो लोग भी बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं घर पर. सारे पेरेंट्स, सारे लोग घर पर बैठ के बहुत मेहनत कर रहे हैं. इवन इफ इट इज जस्ट टू कुक एंड सर्व एंड क्लीन, दैट इज आल्सो फीलिंग क्वाइट अ बिट ऑलरेडी. All of us are doing that. I'm telling you, even fathers are doing that. No difference. Now there's no more gender bias around the job that we are doing in the house. But we will see how much we can pass on. And since we will get a longer duration, if we can keep it, most of it with us. But if children are not receptive and not enjoying it, we might have to just pass it on. PTA member monthly है या annual है? Typically schools में PTA member annual होते हैं कि एक बार finalize हो जाए तो साल भर के लिए वही होता है. But अगर PTA members को change होना है हर महीने, it's a school's call. I'm fine with that. If you would like to take up a responsibility, one person per month, that will also be nice. It is absolutely fine. I will leave it for the parents to decide on that. Padma teacher, anything that you want to say?
Thank you. Can you all hear me?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you, Mihan's mom. She has listed out all the points in one go. Very good.
Okay.
Sanvi's papa, you had something to say.
Yeah. Hi everyone.
Thank you for waiting.
So first, no worries at all. Firstly, I'd like to start with appreciating the management, the teachers. I mean, it's wonderful the amount of patience, the amount of enthusiasm that I see in Sanchita teacher and Manisha teacher. I mean, it's amazing. Thanks a lot. Uh, yeah, and as a lot of parents have already pointed out most of the things which I wanted to ask, so I will not repeat that. So one thing that I wanted to one suggestion was that if we have to prepare something, for example, let's say for the next class we want something to be prepared, then it's better if we get a little in advance, because we both are working, so it gets a little easier to manage it. Any worksheets that we have to prepare so that she'll start coloring and all. So that was one thing. And the next thing was, it's difficult to keep Sanvi attentive. We are trying our best. We hope that she'll start paying more attention. But having said that, the moment the audio visuals start, I think she starts her attention comes back. So that's something really great. So that was one thing. And one more question which I had was, so we've started with the letter M. So the letters before that, as in, are we going to put it going forward, or was it already covered? So that was all. Yeah.
I will let Padma teacher take that question about letters, because there are certain pattern in which letters have to be taught. Okay.
I
So
see.
we don't typically start off with A, B, C, especially when you're doing the phonics. Okay. So you start with sounds that come from here, then here, then here, then here. You go like that. So there's a particular format in that. So why? How? I will just open the mic for Padma teacher to answer that. I'm struggling to open up her mic. I think her she logged out. She will come back. Okay.
Yeah, no worries. I mean,
okay, there she
it
is.
was just a query whether kuch bacha hai kya, ya fir it's going to get covered. So
it is going to start.
No,
it
the
starts
first
with
letter.
this is the first letter being
Starts with
taught
them.
in class.
Sure.
Yes,
That was
Padma.
all. Yeah.
Yes, Padma teacher, now we can see you. We can't hear you. Okay, we can't hear you.
Yeah. Can
yes.
you all hear me now?
Yes.
Yes.
Coming back to the letters, see, we teach phonetically. The letters are being taught phonetically, and the child of like 3 years and 4 years and a half first will always learn the humming sound. This letter M and A. No. So it is easier for them to catch this sound. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Then we are going to do with fricatives, which are like licking sound. In short, I mean to say that we are not going to teach letters in sequence.
Okay.
We are teaching phonetically, and so according to that, according to the sound that letter makes, we have divided into sets. Like M, N, and A will be together in one set. In next go, you will have another C, K, L. So teachers are all doing as per the plan, and this is again phonetically planned for the age, keeping the age level of the child. And so have patience. Children will learn all the letters. They will learn the sound, and finally, at the end of the year, like in September or no, in December, they will be knowing the whole ABC.
Okay.
We have to go about with letters and phonics.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Okay. So there's a pattern in which these letters follow, and all the 26 will get covered based on that pattern. So by the end of
Definitely.
this year, as in November, December, once they have learned all the sounds, they will start joining the sounds later on.
Sure. Sure.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Any other questions, Anvi's Papa?
No, I
Feedback?
think that was that. No, that's what I said. So just one feedback was if any worksheets that we have to prepare in advance, if we get it in advance, so it will be easier for us. Yeah.
Advance, you mean to say before the previous weekend, as in like today, you should get.
If we get the weekend, sorry for it.
No, that's okay. She can scream.
If
We
we get
look
it,
like crazy.
yeah. So if we get to know that, I mean, the previous week nothing like it, but
Okay. ठीक है. We'll just keep that in mind. We'll keep that in mind.
yeah.
Okay. Any other parents? Anything else that you would like to talk, share, give as improvement areas? We have Durva's parents, Saumya's parents, Sita's parents here. Anything that you would
Sita's
like?
mom wants to say something.
Yeah.
Sita's mom, I think, she wants to say something.
But her video is shut.
I think she
Sita's mom, I am looking to open your mic. Is there something that you would like to share? Yes, we can see Sita. Hi, Sita. How are you?
I'm fine.
Wow. And where are you right now?
I am live in grandma's home.
Grandma's home. Where is it?
In Vizag.
Vizag. Wow. You're out of Pune. Cool. Yes, Sita. We had to. Sorry. What did you say, Sita?
There is Bhumika teacher, Neeland Vandit.
Where is Bhumika teacher? Okay. Bhumika teacher had a small baby girl. She had a baby girl a few days ago. So she is on maternity break. She will come back as soon as her baby is 6 months old.
Vandit.
Vandit has actually gone to another school. You want to talk to Vandit? Neil has gone out of Pune. Neil is not in Pune anymore. He's gone out of Pune.
Oh. And I really appreciate teachers' efforts a lot, ma'am. Actually, Sita is enjoying the session like anything, and teachers are very patient. Thank you so much, Sanchita teacher, and you also, ma'am. Both teachers are awesome, actually.
Good.
Say thank you, baby.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, dear.
She always says, now today got a star. Teacher gave me a star, mama. She goes to my mother and tell that, mama, I got a star. Teacher gave me a star. Like the daily she explains all the things, whatever happens in the school to my parents.
They miss this.
Wow. Thanks to Manisha teacher and Sanchita teacher for your patience. Really, hats off, ma'am. How you're modeling the kids. Really, it's awesome.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Great.
Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Sita's mom. Thank you so much. Other parents, Adhira's parents, anything that you would like to share, say? Saumya's parents? Okay, I don't think. Adhira's parents, can you hear us? Saumya's parents, can you hear us? You're there, but we can't see you. Okay, then I think we are coming to the close of our PTM today. Next time onwards, today the PTM was held as a group PTM, because of which we had to cancel our whole classes because we had to have all the teachers on all different grade levels. So that is why it was not possible for us to run classrooms today. But next time onwards, there'll be a different planning. There'll be a different option. So children do not have to miss out on their class. So I guess today, KG had a very, very interesting session, which incidentally we had to let go because of this PTM today. But don't worry. Just let children know that we'll make up for it next week. Today was supposed to be something where it was going to be a lot of fun, no? They were supposed to do, I think, wonder time, story time, and art and craft. So it's usually these are the lectures that children so eagerly look forward to, but then we couldn't do it today. But don't worry, we'll make up for it in the next class. Any other feedback? Any other suggestions? You have our numbers ready with you. You have the child's WhatsApp groups. Please feel free to write to us about anything at any time. Yeah. On that note, may I close the meeting? I think everybody has had their word. I think I don't have any hand raises. Okay, sure. Okay. Thank you very much for your time. And tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock, the session that will happen, I'll just send across the details of that today. So Padma teacher will be there for you all to learn from that. Okay, all the best. Take care, stay safe, and keep drinking a lot of water. Just because you're at home, you might not sweat a lot, but drink a lot of water. It's important to be hydrating. Take care. See you all soon.
You all, bye.
Bye.